back Vastram family, this is Sunita taking you into the set of new Kanjivaram collections. You're going to love them all. Happy shopping with us as usual, and do leave your comments about the collection, and that encourages us to give you much more better collections in coming days for you. Another set of pretty bridal as well as festive Kanjivarams from Vastram. This is sari number 1, ink blue and a dual tonish orange combination with nice floral motifs, a tree of life motif and the logo of Vastram, both in peacock. That is sari number 1 with gold and silver booties running all throughout. This is the border, completely authentic Kanjivaram designs woven pallu this is got, and this is a borderless Kanjivaram with a contrast blouse like this. This is going to be the blouse color of the sari. Let me show it in close and proper, you understand. This is how you're going to look. It's a beautiful sari for Pongal, Shankranti or any festival that's coming up your way. It could be your wedding, your sister's wedding or what. Interesting collection, interesting occasion. This is an amazing sari to own. This gorgeous it's going to look on you. This is the sari. Okay, sari number 1. Sari number 2, thread silk Kanjivaram pastel tones, lemon yellow with a thread woven self all throughout. The combination is so classy in the shades that is very pastel in nature. Completely zari woven pallu, pure zari pallu. Self motifs woven, a lot of details like the parrots. It's got parrots, it's got chakrams, it's got flowers and climbers all throughout. A color which is so rare, and a blouse which is dual tonish. Look at the combination, you're going to love this. This is priced at 16,800. Sari number 2, festive collection from Vastram for the upcoming New Year 2021 collections. These are for all our loving customers who love to buy our collections. This is definitely amazing one for you. Just grab this. I'm thoroughly loving the color combination. So sari number 2 is this beautiful, completely woven with thread, and the pallu is zario. Sari number 3, 2021 collections of pure zari Kanjivarams from Vastram. This is the pallu, and complete body has got zari checks, very cute little border in pure zari, and the pallu, as I already told, this is the blouse. It's got a checker blouse all throughout. This is the combination, a traditional combination. As always, we are trying to get you as traditional as possible with the trendy color combination. This is a grey and arak color combination. And that's the sari. This is sari number 3, priced at 15,800. A pure zari Kanjivaram, completely Vairavasi kind of checks all throughout. This is the look of the sari once you're going to wear it. An amazing blouse. Blouse is so pretty. Sari number 4, 2021 collection for the month of January. A bridal collection in black and araka combination. This sari has no words to explain. It's got nice abstract designs as borders. It's a 12-inch border. The whole body has got zari checks with mine and chakram, and the sari looks so beautiful and gorgeous. This is the entire look. Pallu is grand enough for a wedding collection. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, amazing pallu, and the blouse is arakka color, typical Kanjivaram traditional color of blackish maroon. That's the sari, that's the blouse for the sari with the border, and you look so classy. No words. These are all like signature collections of Vastrams. Our weavers are doing amazing job. This is one masterpiece of Vastram. This is priced at 37,000 rupees, and this is sari number 4 for 2021 January Pongal Shankranti collection from Vastram. How do you like it? Do comment us and let us know how beautiful, how gorgeous, how much you like such collections, and what more color combinations would look better on such designs, and what is the next combination you're looking for from Vastram in this batch. Sari number 5, Shankranti 2021 collection. Vanashringaram, black and pink combination. That's the combination of the sari with the pink color, nice short pink color this is. And that's the blouse. 16,800 is the sari price. A detailed image of the sari will be given in the close-up pictures that will be shown along with the video here. This has got a nice light dark green piping border here. So pink can also be a combination of your blouse. Black is always trendy with the silver thread woven. It's a thread silk. So this is Vanashringaram thread silk. That's why it is 16,800. Else it's 35 plus in a pure zari. The pallu is golden colored zari woven, which is a pure zari again with Mile Chakram detailings and so on. Sari number 5 with 16,800 Shankranti collection. Sari number 6, 2021 Shankranti collection, Pongal collection from Vastram, pure zari, nice bottle green with golden zari checks, silver border, a designer Kanjivaram for sure, a small border on top and a nice broad wide border on the bottom. You look amazing. This is like mind-blowing collection. This is the pallu for the sari. Gorgeous enough to make it as a bridal collection. Silver zari woven pallu, a nice running bottle green with silver zari woven border as well. Silver zari is very much in trend. The speciality of this sari is it's got golden zari checks, traditionally woven, authentic Kanjivaram sari number 6, priced at 35,000. That's the entire sari for you. Look at that. You can never go wrong with such trendy as well as traditional colors. The trendy combinations and traditional weavings, so everything is in a perfect merge in the sari. So this is a pure zari Kanjivaram from Vastram at a price so happy, 35,000. Sari number 7, a combination so rare and elegant to the core. This is coffee brown with silver, golden zari woven buttas running all throughout. Checkers. I don't need to talk, but the sari talks all by itself. Such a pretty collection this is. 2021 Shankranti collection, sari number 7. This pretty sari is priced at 29,800. What a combination, what a sari. Speciality is 3 different zaris are running. Silver zari, golden zari buttas alternating. Copper zari running all throughout as in horizontal line. Silver zari running as in a vertical line. And beautiful checks upon which so completely thread self done, silver color thread self done borders, and a small little cute border over here at the edging, and the pallu, which is like the traditional Kanjivaram pallu. A boutique collection is this is called a boutique collection. We are trying to give you the best of what any traditional Kanjivaram boutique can give you. A very rare combination. We design our collections, we design our colors. 2021 is going to be very fresh and interesting with such beautiful Kanjivarams on you. This is priced at 29,800. Sari number 7, 2021 Shankranti New Year collection from Vastram. Sari number 8, 2021's January festive collection. This is a pastel tone. This time every collection that's come out has got a beautiful color tone attached to it. This is sari number 8 and it's a lemon yellow. What's special about it is, if you can just show you, this is a distinted lines here and there, like a scale, it just gets itself distinted, and there is a break in between, and then the zari, pure zari lines runs through. A plain simple border in a pastel tone, and that's the entire sari for you. The whole sari has got a pure zari woven stripes like this. The pallu is a simple seal pallu. A daily wear collection again. This is the blouse for this pretty sari. Color combination is amazing. Priced at 16,000 rupees. This sari is a daily wear collection and an amazing pure zari collection from Vastram. This is how you're going to look. Some saris, they're like class. They just make you feel like at home, at peace. Some casual, whereas you can just carry the sari so easily and roam around in your workplace or on a daily basis, on an occasion, event where you need to be active part of it. can happily carry the such saree. 16,000 is the price of this. Saree number 9, Sankranti collection. What more do you ask for? There's such a pretty collection of silver grey with a nice magenta color combination. This is the saree. The saree has got a small border on top, a broader border on the bottom, and a very rich zari woven pallu in gold color. Entire saree is silver colored thread silk. Okay, thread woven, nice buttas. And when you see the close up, you'll understand. This is priced at 16,800. But the pallu alone is pure zari woven pallu, and the border, which is pallu color, kind of magenta. This is how the saree is going to look. This pretty collection belongs to you if you want to buy it online. Links will be provided. Website will be uploaded with this collection. Smaller zari border on top is a pretty highlight. Every saree we try and give some differentiations. This saree has got a small cute little border on top and a broader border at the bottom, so that if you leave it single pleated, or you leave it pleated up and wear, it's going to add its charm and make you look like a queen. So this is saree number 9, priced at 16,800. This is another beautiful saree, thread silk. It's got vertical panels running all throughout. You can see the beauty of the saree over here. It's like horizontal, vertical panels running all throughout with zari silk, gold colored thread silk. This is gold colored thread woven all throughout. It's got nice geometrical designs and Gandabir, the twin peacocks, that is very much on this. A color so pastel in tone and a light green tone with a nice mustard mango yellow combination as pallu. This is pure zari woven pallu and a mango yellow color blouse as well. Look at the combination, very rare, Usually don't get them. We make such color combinations to make you feel very special and different. So this is saree number 10 for the second set, 16,800. And the entire saree color combination is amazing. Where do you get to see? Boutique collections are boutique collection. Vastram is known for its collections of color combinations of Kanjivarams, colors and its costing and its design. Everything is special. This one is definitely one of its kind with us. So just go to our website to buy. You can also click on the links given below to buy if it's available still at the time you're looking at the video. So this is the saree number 10 for Sankranti.